Welcome to the Luxury Car Zone, the ultimate destination for automotive enthusiasts who crave detailed insights into the world's most iconic and luxurious vehicles. In this video, we're diving deep into the new 2009 Ferrari, exploring its reviews, specs, and features in depth. This legendary car not only marks a significant era in Ferrari's lineup but also showcases the performance, design, and innovation the Italian automaker is known for. The 2009 Ferrari models, including the Ferrari California and Ferrari 599 GT Bifrano, stood as symbols of power and elegance. These cars were not just built to look good but to dominate the roads with blistering speed and unmatched control. The California model, introduced in 2009, was Ferrari's first front-engine V8 Grand Tourer. It came with a 4.3-liter V8 engine capable of producing around 460 horsepower, mated with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This was a new technology at that time, giving the car ultra-fast gearshifts and improved fuel efficiency compared to older Ferrari models. The 2009 Ferrari California could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds, making it a serious performer despite its more relaxed and grand touring intentions. The car had a top speed of around 193 miles per hour, which put it in the supercar category. What made the California special was not just its speed, but its everyday usability combined with a retractable hardtop that transformed it from a sleek coupe to an open-top roadster in under 15 seconds. On the other hand, the 2009 Ferrari 599 GT Bifrano was designed with more hardcore performance in mind. Equipped with a 6.0-liter V12 engine producing a massive 612 horsepower, the 599 was a true beast on the road. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.3 seconds and had a top speed of around 205 miles per hour. This model was inspired by Ferrari's Formula One technology and it featured advanced suspension, improved aerodynamics, and carbon ceramic brakes for outstanding stopping power. Both the California and the 599 GT came with Ferrari's signature Manettino switch mounted on the steering wheel, which allowed drivers to easily switch between driving modes like comfort, sport, and race. These modes adjusted the suspension stiffness, throttle response, and traction control settings, giving drivers the flexibility to enjoy a comfortable ride or go all out on a racetrack. Inside the cabin, Ferrari stayed true to its tradition of craftsmanship and luxury. Premium leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and carbon fiber touches gave the interiors a sporty yet classy appeal. The infotainment systems were simple by today's standards but featured essential elements like navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and quality audio. The California was more refined in terms of comfort with more focus on the luxurious driving experience, while the 599 was raw and driver-focused. One of the best things about the 2009 Ferrari lineup was the attention to aerodynamics. Both models featured sculpted bodywork not only for aesthetics but to improve airflow and stability at high speeds. The 599, for instance, had an innovative design with flying buttresses that helped channel air efficiently, reducing drag and increasing downforce. This made a big difference during high-speed driving or cornering. When it came to handling, Ferrari engineers ensured that both these models delivered superior driving dynamics. With near-perfect weight distribution, advanced suspension setups, and precision steering, the cars offered a connection between driver and machine that few other brands could match. Whether you were cruising on highways or carving corners on a mountain road, the 2009 Ferraris gave you confidence and control. Fuel economy was never the strongest point of Ferraris, especially in 2009, but buyers of these vehicles were more concerned about power and prestige than efficiency. The California delivered around 13 to 19 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions, while the 599 was even lower due to its V12 engine. However, for those who could afford these cars, fuel consumption was rarely a major concern. Another key point to consider in these models was Ferrari's commitment to safety and reliability. While older Ferraris sometimes suffered from electrical issues or mechanical quirks, the 2009 lineup showed improvements in durability and ease of maintenance. Modern electronics, Improved cooling systems, and better manufacturing processes made these cars more suitable for regular use than their predecessors. Driving a 2009 Ferrari was not just about reaching high speeds. It was an experience that touched all senses. The engine note, especially from the naturally aspirated V8 and V12 engines, was a symphony of raw power and precision engineering. The exhaust tones, the vibrations through the steering wheel, and the quick response of the throttle all combined to deliver a thrilling yet controlled ride. In terms of reviews, both the California and 599 GTB received praise from critics and owners alike. Reviewers loved the California's balance between daily comfort and weekend fun, while the 599 was appreciated for its brutal acceleration and racing pedigree. The only major criticism some people had was the high price tag and the relatively expensive maintenance, which is expected for any high-performance exotic car. Over time, the 2009 Ferrari models have become collector's items. They represent a unique blend of old-school Ferrari charm with modern technology. Many enthusiasts now look at these cars as future classics, especially because they came just before Ferrari shifted toward turbocharged engines and hybrid systems in later years. If you are someone who appreciates automotive excellence, elegance, and performance, the 2009 Ferrari models stand tall as symbols of prestige and passion. These cars were built for those who love driving and demand the very best in engineering and style. Whether you're a collector, a driver, or just a dreamer, there's no denying the impact Ferrari left in 2009. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more luxury car content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.